Can you make it? Learn how to ask, can you make something in Hindi? You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक टेबलस्पून और सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 23 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary for today is banana, 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 which means to make. Banana. Now, we'll normally drop that na and be left with the root, which is bana, because this is a verb, right? To make. So, banana, and our root is bana. Our next vocabulary word is safai, 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 which means the cleaning or cleaning. This is a noun form. Our grammar key for today is क्या आप रोटी बना सकते हैं? क्या आप रोटी बना सकते हैं? Can you make roti or bread? And if we're asking a woman, it would be क्या आप रोटी बना सकती हैं? क्या आप रोटी बना सकती हैं? Can you make bread? Now, in the previous two lessons, we've learned this word suck, which means can. And earlier we were saying, I can do something. And we were asking someone, can you do this? Can you do something? No, we were asking, what do you do? Dang it. Our grammar key for today is, क्या आप रोटी बना सकते हैं? क्या आप रोटी बना सकते हैं? And if we're asking a woman, क्या आप रोटी बना सकती हैं? क्या आप रोटी बना सकती हैं? Can you make bread? In our previous lessons, we were saying, I can do something, and we were asking yesterday, what can you do? But today, we're asking, can you make bread, right? Kya aap is normally, we would think of it as, do you? But in this sense, since we're adding suck, we're actually saying, can you? Okay, so can you make bread? Our next grammar key is, क्या आप सफाई कर सकते हैं? क्या आप सफाई कर सकते हैं? Or, क्या आप सफाई कर सकती है? If we're asking a woman, क्या आप सफाई कर सकती है? Can you clean? Or can you do the cleaning is another way to think about it, because we're using that verb karna, to do, and safai, cleaning. So literally we're asking, can you do the cleaning? क्या आप सफाई कर सकते हैं? And again, it's can you, not do you, because we have that sak, that word which means can in Hindi. Can you do the cleaning? All right, let's spend a minute or two drilling this. क्या आप सफाई कर सकते हैं? क्या आप सफाई कर सकते हैं? क्या आप सफाई कर सकती है? क्या आप सफाई कर सकती है? Can you do the cleaning? Can you clean? नहीं, मैं सफाई नहीं कर सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं सफाई नहीं कर सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं सफाई नहीं कर सकती हूँ. नहीं, मैं सफाई नहीं कर सकती हूँ. No, I cannot clean. Or no, I cannot do the cleaning. क्या आप हिंदी बोल सकते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोल सकते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोल सकती हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोल सकती हैं? Can you speak Hindi? To which you could respond, हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. Yes, I can speak Hindi. क्या आप सब्जी बना सकते हैं? क्या आप सब्जी बना सकते हैं? क्या आप सब्जी बना सकती हैं? क्या आप सब्जी बना सकती हैं? Can you make vegetables? नहीं, मैं सब्जी नहीं बना सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं सब्जी नहीं बना सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं सब्जी नहीं बना सकती हूँ. नहीं, मैं सब्जी नहीं बना सकती हूँ. All right, everyone, thanks for joining us for day 23 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. If you like this content, if you like this material, and you've been enjoying the challenge, I encourage you to check out our other resources and our other material on HindiUnlocked.com. We're also doing something really cool, and if you are signed up for the challenge and if you've been getting our emails, I'm going to be telling you about this some in the emails as well. But we're starting a special online community for Hindi learners. And we're using a service called Mighty Networks, which is really cool. It's really amazing. It's different from other social media platforms because it's only a group for people who are interested in one specific thing. So I'm gathering together a mighty network of people who are interested in growing in their Hindi speaking and Hindi learning abilities. So I encourage all of you to be a part of that. This is going to be a paid group, but through this group, I'm going to offer a consultation. If you come in and join this group, you're going to get a consultation. I'm going to see where you are on your Hindi and kind of help you build a roadmap for moving forward and learning Hindi in a way that really fits where you're at right now. And it's a group where there are other people who are Hindi speakers who have learned Hindi themselves. And it's just going to be a platform where we can share our ideas and our stories, and it's just going to be a really cool community. So I just encourage you to take a look at that. Click on the link to it in the email that you're going to receive, and it's also in the PDF guide where it says join our community. If you click on that link, then you'll be able to find out a little bit more about this special offer and this ability to be a part of this Hindi learning community that we're creating. So I hope you'll check it out, and I hope you will consider joining us. All right, thank you so much for joining us again for the 30-day Hindi challenge. We'll see you back here tomorrow.